Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to connect Facebook Graph API with N8N. So in order to begin guys, let's make this as short as possible. You start from scratch, for example, or choose your workflow that you maybe are already working with. I'm just going to create a new one, and in here guys you create a first step, and in here you just type in graph and choose this one, the fourth one from the top, Graph API. In here, credential creates a new one, and here, as you can see, we'll need access token. So to get that, you actually need to go to the developersfacebook.com, register for being a developer here. It's actually pretty easy to do. And once you're here in developers and apps, let us create a new app, and we are looking to create a marketing API, and let me show you how it's done. So you go create app, close this, and let us insert the app name, for example, N8N. Test app, and then click on next. In here guys you need to choose let me see, other, and press on next. In here guys we choose, for example, business. Next. In here just choose create app. Alright guys, and as you can see now we have marketing API. This is what we're looking for, so click on setup. Alright, after that navigate to the tools in here on the left, and in here we need to get token for a specific permission. So if you are curious about what either of them actually do, so as you can see we have ads management, read, and insights. You can just go to the docs, and in here you will have the explanations about what each of these do. Alright, what is this, by the way? Let me check this. I guess this is the explanation, right? No, it's not. So you pretty much just press on read docs and see what each one does. But I just recommend clicking all of them so that, you know, so that we are getting the full functionality, and then press on get token. All right, and now this token, you just copy all of this text, and you go back to N8N, insert the token in here, and press on save. And as you can see, credentials successfully created and connection tested successfully. So we are done now guys, it's pretty simple. And now if you go back, close that, if you go back, as you can see, Facebook Graph API, and don't worry about this little sign, this is pretty much the notification that you need to, of course, go ahead and properly set up this connection, this Graph API connection, so you need to just customize it. But that's up to you what you do next. You can also create other connections, but in general, this is our connection of Facebook Graph API. Enjoy guys. If this helped you out, press thumbs up on the video, we appreciate it, and subscribe.